So today we are going to cook fatback in the air fryer. I know this was a suggestion from one of my viewers, so I decided, what the heck, let's try it. So I don't know what to expect, but we'll see. Let's jump right into this video. So I have my fatback here. I bought from FOODI. It was really cheap, $2.81 for this size pack. So what I'm going to do, and I also have my boiling water here. This is just something that I do, how I prep my fatback. I know I did a video on this before, how I did my fatback in the oven, and I also took the same steps. So with me cooking in the air fryer, I'm still going to take the same steps. So I'm just going to go on and rinse some of this salt off and give this a little boil. I have just rinsed the water off our fatback. This is just half of the pack. I'm not cooking the whole thing. Like I said, I just want to try it out and see, because it was a suggestion made by one of my YouTubers. So I only did half of the pack, so I'm just gonna place my water here, turn my eye on high, and I am going to allow my water to boil, and then I put my meat in. That our water is boiling, I'm just gonna drop our meat over in the water like that. I'm going to turn my eye off, and I'm going to let this sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. You don't want all of the salt out, so I'm just going to sit for a few minutes. So I have my fatback here. Like I said, I have washed the salt off, put it in boiling water for 5 minutes. I drained it. Now I'm just gonna place it in my air fryer. So I have the basket here in the air fryer. I'm gonna use the basket versus using the wire rack. Mind you, I never did this before. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I mean, I hope it turns out pretty good. I mean, if not, I mean, it was worth the try. Like I said, one of my subscribers, they had asked me have I ever did it in the air fryer before, and I was like, no. So I decided to do it. So I'm just gonna lay this fatback in here. I don't know if it can be stacked on top of one another or not. We just ready to see. We experiment in this video. This is an experimental video, because I'm not for sure. I'm not even for sure how long I'm gonna even cook it for. So because the basket is pretty full, I'm gonna just put all of it in here. Okay, all right, so I have all the fat back in there. I hope it just cooked properly like it should. I have it all in there. So we're just going to close the lid and we're going to cook it and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to hit air crisp. So let's do 350, because that's what I would do if I was putting it in the oven. 350 for, let's try 15 minutes. And we may have to check it in between. Like I said, I am unsure. We're just going to see. We're almost done, so we're gonna check it and see. It's cooling down. I just hope and I pray that it comes out right. All right, let's see what we have. We're gonna open this together. Let's see what we got. Okay, so it did better than what I expected to do. It's crispy. It can go for a few more minutes, and even with me putting all of them in there, it didn't have any negative effects to it. Give y'all guys a closer look. Let's pick one up. So it got that crisp to it. So I'm gonna put it in there and I'm gonna cook it for another, I say just a 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. So I did 10 on 350. So I'm gonna do another 10 minutes. I'm super excited. I don't like trying new stuff, special stuff that, I'm not gonna say I don't like trying new stuff, because I like trying new stuff, but when it comes to, you know, not knowing what the outcome's gonna be, it makes my anxiety like really overwhelmed. But I'm really happy because it came out, you know, better than what I thought it was gonna come. I mean, it really looks like it came out of the oven, but I'm gonna put it in there because I see a couple of pieces in here, which I know this is probably hot. Like this is really soft, it's not crispy. So I'm gonna put it in there for like another 5 minutes, and then we'll see what we got. So it's been another 5 minutes. Yes, 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 yes. Let me get these tongs, honey. Yes. This stuff is crispy. Like I done, look at that, you guys. Like I done cooked it in the oven. Yes. You know what? I'm on to something. Look at this. Nice and crispy. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna get this, put this in a bowl so y'all can get a close up. So I just want to show you guys the grease, because when you cook it in the oven, the Fatback, it does produce grease, which it still does in the air fryer. So I'm just gonna safely remove this tray out of here without getting burned. And as you can see, ooh, I do not want to get burned, because when I say this thing is hot, it is hot. That is our grease from our Fatback. So it still produces grease, and most of all, it's more healthier because when you put it in the oven, it sits in the grease, while with this, the tray is never touching the bottom pan. The grease just falls right to the bottom. So we winning. All the way around, winning. Look at this, honey. Yes. Beautiful. It got a good crisp to it. Look at that. I am impressed. Yes. So you know what the next test is? Taste test. So I'm just going to taste one. Y'all hear that crunch? Yes. Crunchy and crispy. It's not salty, and it's fried perfect. I'm telling you, I'm in heaven. Yeah, this is where that, I'm telling you, y'all ain't had Fatback until y'all had it in the air fryer. Okay? Yes. So I am happy and satisfied with this video. I hope y'all guys are. I hope you guys try this, like for real, okay? Y'all must try this, because this is amazing. And I will catch you guys later. hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys tried this video out. Fatback in the air fryer. It was amazing. It came out way better than what I thought it was. So my viewer who suggested this, thank you. I give this video a thumbs up, and you guys give this video a thumbs up as well. So until the next time, until the next video, I'm ready to go enjoy this crispy fatback here. Yes, this is where it at. Catch you guys later. Bye.